Hello. From now on, let me tell you what a component set is and what our variants are and how to use them and how to make them. So because the content is so long, so I will make many videos. And then follow the videos step by step. And then what I want to tell you is, before you watch this video, you have to know what a component is. Only then you will understand what I'm going to tell you. So if you're not familiar with it, then please study that first. So in this video, this is the first video, let me introduce you what a component is and variants are and some related terms. So let's start. So if you look at this screen, there is a dotted line box, and this is called a component set. Shapes in here are components and variants of a component set. So variant of these buttons, right? And then if you look at this part, variants, they have a unique icon, so please remember that. So let me show you how it works. So let me copy this component, and this is an instance. You can check this here as well. And then if you look at this part, design tab, buttons, there is a two thing, and they are called properties. So shape property and color property, and using this you can change this into these shapes. Let me show you. Circle into star and red into green. Cool, isn't it? So I think I told you the terms, all the terms. So in the next videos, let me show you how to make this. Thanks.